Hi there, I'm Luca, and in this short video, I'll explain why you should learn or teach echocardiography using our revolutionary online platform, built around the Echocardiography online simulator. As our users say, it can reduce learning time by up to tenfold, while giving you the ability to study echocardiography at the highest level. What do we need to learn echocardiography the traditional way? First, a good textbook. Second, an ultrasound device. Third, patients with different heart conditions.
Hi, my name is Julia. Today I'd like to explain the main advantages of our resource compared to traditional learning. In the traditional approach, you first need to find a good book. That's not a big problem. However, you also need access to an ultrasound device and real patients with different heart diseases. Unfortunately, this is not always available for students. As a result, the learning process can take months or even years. So, what about MyEchocardiography.com? Our platform offers an eBook, a virtual ultrasound device, and virtual patients. In addition, we provide an AI assistant that helps guide users, answer questions, and support the learning process in real time. It can also create quizzes to test knowledge and reinforce learning. As Luca mentioned earlier, this approach can reduce learning time by up to 10 times.
So, you have everything you need to start learning echocardiography from the comfort of your own home. Oh, and I almost forgot, stock up on coffee. That part isn't included in our service.
Now it's time to begin your journey into the world of echocardiography with innovative learning technology. Thank you for choosing MyEchocardiography.com.